Good morning, Pure Strokes traders and YouTube for another morning market analysis for the US session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, you can see still moving to the downside, trying to push lower and lower. You can see that we came all the way back up right around these 44.10s and then continue to move down. Nice bit of a double top here, and then structure just continued to push lower and lower. So we're underneath the low, which is right around these 43.3750s, and we pressed up against it and failed to get through it right there. So we are looking for the market to come down into this area here, right off of these 43.1875. See what we do. Could potentially get this double bottom, but just know, pretty risky to try to fade this back up. But there is always an opportunity fade if you guys want to fade. But that's where the support is right now. Beneath 1875 is going to be 43.0650, 42.9125, and then 42.7675 is the target down below. And we have a low all the way down here, 42.1275 as one of the main lows down below. So if you want to continue trend trading, resistance 3750 is where we got right now. That's where we can look for our areas to short. If we just go right through that, next level up for me is going to be right around these 43.7450s as resistance for another short opportunity. So we could wait patiently for the market to get up there and then get a nice short if it fails to go through. Again, above that 0750 to about 44.10 is the next area. So probably going to be looking for more short opportunities, especially if we stay below 3750. But even if we're below 74.50, that's going to be the area that we look for a short as well. So just keep that in mind as we draw into the US session. Moving over into gold. Gold moving sideways, resistance right now standing between these 1843.43s to about 1843.7. That's our little bit of resistance. So as we get into this area, we are looking for this market to do similar movement. Nice double top, triple top, actually quadruple top there. Nice wider double top back over here. Nice wider double top back over there. Rejection over here. So you can see nice resistance that is forming in that area. So if we do fail to get through this level, again, that is a good short opportunity that we could have to bring the market down. Again, we had a nice one yesterday before the open of the US session that just completely dropped off. So we could potentially see that again. Now, this wider movement here could lead to a stronger, deeper pull down. So just keep that in mind. If we fail to get through here, this should be a nice short, at least at bare minimum, back into 36.3 and then down below 1833.6. But at max, you could see that the market has the potential to get down to 1829.3 as the area of support down below. Now, if we just blow right through that level, next level down below 1822.7, but you can see how much bounces we've had right off these 29.3s, which could potentially be where you find your support to bounce right back up as a main level. If not, above that area, 33.6 could be another area of support you look for as well. So just keep that in mind. We are in a sideways movement on gold, so that's going to be the areas we look at. But mid areas, you can see right here, 33.6 to about 36.3. Moving over into crude oil. Let's take a look at what we got. So crude oil, nice double bottom right off our level of support that we got right now. A little bit of an angled double bottom should push us into this resistance up here, 84.06 to about 84.14. So just keep that in mind. We could have a level that stalls us a little bit before, which is going to be right here at these 83, 86s. So also, if you are going to be going long, that's probably an area you want to take some positions off. But if you want the short opportunity, you got to get back below these 83.44s and then shift its movement down to 83.02. Next level down below, 82.66 as support, and then below that 81.98. Those are the areas for me as support. So if we do just happen get the push here, could get the bounce. You see a nice bottom right here, so could get the same price action movement there. If not, look for this to come back down. This is where we had our nice double bottom here for a push back up. So we anticipate support coming in here as well. If we come back down here and get that double bottom, that's what we're looking for as we come down. So just keep that in mind as we draw into the US session. Also keep in mind when you listen to the market analysis, we continue to go over and speak over the same things. Double tops, double bottoms, and formulations of W's and M patterns are really where it's going to be at when it comes to trading, because they give you good directional understanding of what the market is trying to do from areas or levels of support and resistance. So just keep that in mind. I mean, we pretty much say the same thing over and over, but it's mainly because we trade with simplicity and we try to make trading as simple as possible. And honestly, the best, most consistent way is to find the peaks and the valleys, double bottoms, double tops. So just keep that in mind. But we're going to be drawing into the US session. We'll wait patiently till we get there. If you are going to be in the room with us today, we will see you guys in there right at that 9:30 open. If not, make sure you guys trade well. Other than that, again, if you guys like these videos, please smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Take care, guys. Have a good morning.